Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Live Server not opening in browser. So if you have installed this extension onto your Visual Studio Code, and if you go ahead and right click onto your code and go ahead and try to go live for this one, and it is not opening any browser, then you're onto the right guide to go ahead and fix that. So you'll just have to right click onto a certain code in here that you have onto your VS Code. And if you click onto this open with live server, this should directly go ahead and open the browser. But if you're having the issue for you to be able to fix this, the first thing that you need to do is head onto the settings of your device. Or you could just simply search this onto the search bar of your device, which says edit the system environment variables. So this one is located onto the control panel. You'll just have to open that one out. And then right after, it should open something like this. So the next thing that you need to do, you'll just have to click onto environment variables right after. And here, under system variable, you need to find in this one, the path. So if you click onto that, and then right after, you'll just have to click onto edit. You'll just have to click onto new in here, and you need to paste the same thing onto this one. So just add this one. See, just add a specific line, click onto OK. And then right after, you'll just have to click onto OK and click onto OK again. So you'll just need to go ahead and restart or refresh your Visual Studio Code, and then right after, this might help to fix your issue on live server not opening in browser. And that is just basically it onto how you do it. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.